Hey, hello folks. I'm Steve, aka Chief Dancing Ostrich with the E end of ostrich. Oops, I believe it goes like no, no. It goes. Never mind how it goes. I'm here to do an opinion piece. It's about my series that require outdoor scenes. It's not always easy to do, especially in the rain deluge, which today I had like about 10 minutes worth of sunlight. 10 whole minutes. Well, just about. Might have been 5 minutes, but it was enough to do like two scenes. Two scenes aren't that much, and didn't really add a whole lot to the series, so it's going to take a while for this series to be completed. And I might, if this thing was waterproof, I'd film in a pouring rain, but it's not, so I can't do that. And rain constitutes about 95% of our weather here. I think it might have something to do with the melting ice caps. It would explain why we've been getting a lot of rain lately. Would explain quite a lot, in fact, and it would explain the severity of the hurricanes, the tornadoes, and the thunderstorms, which has, in fact, been far more severe as of late than in times about 30 years ago or so. But this is why I haven't been uploading too many videos lately and that. And my Doctor Who series is a bit pretentious, as one of the actors that played Doctor Who once said. A bit pretentious. That means, if you don't know what pretentious means I put myself out there in the videos, and those vids can really be intense. I wouldn't suggest them to anyone under 13, or even anyone under 18, because they do have adult language, unlike the other 3 videos I've been putting out, the other 3 series that I have been working on before. Now, just because I make fun of something doesn't mean I don't love that something, I don't admire that something, I don't like that something. It's just my way of roasting them and saying, hey, all in good fun, no hard feelings. And I've compared Matt Smith's Doctor Who to Shoney's Big Boy, which you gotta confess there is a similarity. There is quite a bit of a similarity between Matt Smith and Shoney's Big Boy, especially the way he dresses as Doctor Who. It kind of looks so similar, very similar, especially the hair. The hair, that says everything. And I actually played the 8th Doctor Who myself, because I tend to think I do look quite a lot like Paul McGann did when he played Doctor Who in the film. No one else. And I never looked this similar to anyone else. Neither before or since. I didn't look this similar to Sylvester McCoy or Colin Baker, or even the ones that came after. Chris Eccleston, David Tennant. Oh, I most certainly don't look anything like David Tennant. Well, for one thing, his hair is too short. He's got sideburns. I don't have sideburns. Matt Smith. I don't have that. I have this. Okay. So I said, okay, I'll wear green and become the Doctor Who from the film. And I don't know. We ever do get like about 3 to 6 hours of sunlight. The I will start to complete the latest Left-Wing Morphin Power Trader series episode. This one's quite interesting. I try not to spoil my own stuff before I do it. All I can say is it'll remind you of the politics of the past, the recent past, and well, it kind of makes some people a little reminiscent, maybe. Mixed with lol, lol, mixed with lol, yeah. Yeah, I try to do the lol in all my series because, you know, even Adventures in Japanese is kind of lol for a little bit because I want to overplay the samurai scenes and the threats to my life if I don't learn, you know, a certain word or phrase or character. Yeah. And but that's all I'll say. I will complete another episode of something as soon as I am able to, as soon as I find the time, as soon as I get the sunshine to go outside or whatever. If I can't, I'll probably work on another Doctor Who, which this time I'll be working on the Chris Eccleston parody. After that will be the first one of David Tennant, and then we'll go on to Matt Smith. But Pokemon Middle-Aged. We've gotten past Saffron City. The next thing we're gonna do is go to Lavender Town and move south from there. Now, I want to do something with the routes 12, 13, 14, and 15. And play on the monotony of all those routes coming one after the other. And try to do some kind of a, you know, a comic rant on those 4 routes just going into each other. One after the other. Why don't they just call it all Route 12? But who knows what's going to happen in that episode. I want to introduce a new Pokemon. Definitely. There's all kinds of things that I want to go into. The possible separation of Sabrina and myself, because Saffron is her home, and I don't know. I haven't even wrote the script yet, so I really don't know what it's all going to be about. I'm just floating ideas around. As for Adventures in Japanese, I want to do some kind of numbers thing, but I want to I want to do some kind of a puzzle-like series, you know, the code and some mathematical problems, addition, subtraction, multiplication, you know, that kind of thing. But using the Japanese characters, in which I only know a few, and I've got to solve for the others. So I'm hoping that's going to be very interesting. Um, I'll do my best, and you know, that's about all I'll say. Um, I'll I'll get stuff like that done as soon as I can, and I'm sorry it's taking so long. Thanks for subscribing. Keep watching.